What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Stuntin, and I'm back with another video, man. And today, is an epic day, man. And it includes a long drive, man. Yeah, got a 12-hour drive going on right now, man. But y'all see what it involves, man. It is going down tomorrow in South Carolina, Simpsonville. And yeah, we are bringing Drac. That's right, man. So y'all stick around for this whole entire video. Don't skip no ads. I'm bringing a special guest with me, man, down there. So y'all stick around, man. Let's get to it right after this lit ass intro. Drac.
I just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwood smoking, I don't own papers, pass that 808. That don't shake her. Oh, bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed, I got scales all on my floor. I got money on the line, plus I'm clocking it below. I got bitches kissing bitches, all them bitches go explore. I'm feeling way up, I stay up. Put your bitch on my Snapchat, while I feel my makeup. She want a chance with me, cause she know I'm a rapper. I give a d, but I never get feelings, cause shawty, I know what you love. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me.
Squizzy!
Alright, Squizzy, man. Y'all know what it is, man. Your boy Stuntin is on his way. That's right, man. We got Drac loaded up. We got the Reaper looking good. We got the carriage looking good. Yes, sir. Man, listen. This is about to be an epic weekend, y'all. And I got my road dog Catfish Corner.
Hey, what's up, everybody?
Yes, sir. Y'all already know, man. He brought the chicken. Yes, sir. He brought the Arizona teas. Thank you, Linda, for letting him come and making us that chicken, for real. Definitely, man. It's about to go down this weekend. But yeah, guys, been a whole lot of stuff going on, man. Your boy Stuntin just got booked for another show. I just got to say thank you to all the subscribers who recommend your boy to come to these cities with these different promoters and stuff. And yeah, I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? So on August the 1st, guys, I will be in Columbus, Ohio with a big name artist. I can't disclose any of that information right now, but it's definitely going down. Big, huge event. Shout out to promoter Larry. Appreciate you, my dude. You know what I'm saying, for making it happen. But yeah, guys, we're gonna have a lot of other YouTubers that's gonna come through too as well. Man, it's gonna definitely be rocking for real. So make sure y'all, man, stay tuned for all the information on that. I should have that flyer today, and I'll let y'all know exactly the information on it today, guys. But yeah, that's definitely gonna be a legendary event. So y'all already know, on the day before, I'll be in North Carolina. Me, SRT Bree, King Mozzie, we'll be in North Carolina, in Albany, North Carolina, and then from the very next day, I'll be in Columbus, Ohio. So yeah, it's definitely gonna be a dope weekend, lit weekend. So y'all, man, appreciate y'all once again, man, for all the love and support, definitely. But yeah, guys, I had to put a layer of wax on the front of Drac, you know what I'm saying, just to, you know, keep the bugs down a little bit. It don't really protect from rock chips, but like I said, it helps the bugs to come off a little bit easier, you know, versus them going directly on the paint surface. What you think, Catfish?
Yes, sir. I got him covered, whatever he needs.
Yeah, whatever we need. Yeah, so yeah, shout out to everybody who was in my live stream last night, man. We had a whole lot of fun, man. My boy SRT God, make sure y'all go follow my boy SRT God, man. He kicked some real knowledge last night on a live, man, and it was in regards to, you know, the people doing the stupid takeovers of the street, you know what I'm saying, blocking off traffic, doing circles at the intersections. Guys, that's not cool. That's whack, man. That's whack. You know what I'm saying? Y'all don't know what situations y'all are, you know, holding up or whatever. Somebody could be in a car, you know, sick, going to the hospital or something, and y'all want to act a crazy fool or something. You know what I'm saying? Got the traffic all jammed up, and person could, you know what I'm saying, lose their life. You know what I'm saying? So the traffic is meant to go in directions at a certain time for a reason. You know, for a reason. So guys, you know, y'all gotta cut that out, man. Y'all gotta make sure y'all take it amongst yourselves, man, and go to these events that people are trying to put on to get you guys off the street doing that stuff. And if you're gonna do that stuff, make sure you do it somewhere in a lot where you're not blocking traffic, man. Blocking traffic is not cool. That part of it is not cool. Doing the shit, shutting down expressways and all that shit, that is not cool, man. So listen, y'all gotta understand that y'all doing this stupid stuff at the level that y'all doing it, when the up and coming kids that's get their license underneath y'all, when they get their license, they gonna do something even stupider that y'all gonna be like, that's stupid. So y'all gotta understand, even though y'all think y'all not role models, y'all are role models. So y'all have to take it upon yourselves and definitely be more responsible. Be more responsible in thinking, because when you get older and you might need some assistance or might need to do something or take care or take your family member or something to a hospital or something, and you got a bunch of stupid kids in front of you blocking you from doing that and taking your family to the hospital, and something happened and your family passed, you're gonna be pissed off. You're gonna be pissed off, but you ain't got nobody to blame but yourself. So guys, anybody that's hearing this, I know it's fun. I know it is. I know it's an adrenaline rush. I know it is. But guys, you have to be responsible. Have to be responsible and know that you are putting more bad ideas that's going to inflame and become even badder ideas into minds of the younger people coming up underneath you who's about to get their license. So man, make sure y'all do what y'all need to do, man. Cut that shit out. You know, go to your tracks. Go have some fun at the tracks, man, under controlled conditions. And man, you know what I'm saying? Just do it the right way. Do the right things right. But that's enough of this rant. I'll holler at y'all in a minute, man. We on our way to Cincinnati, man, to go hook up with a special YouTuber. Well, actually 2 special YouTubers. All right, I'll holler at y'all in a minute. Let's get it. Let's go. Yeah. All right, gang, we have made it out here to the Kenwood Mall. That's right, man, out here in Cincinnati. And we got my sister right here. Y'all see her? That's right, Rain. And we got my bro, Smooth. Yes, sir. What up, gang, gang? Yes, sir. Make sure y'all go subscribe to the channel, man. And you got to tell everybody about the reason I'm here, dropping off the flyers for what?
Dropping off the flyers for Track Royalty. That'll be December 11th, West Palm Beach. We're doing our event. It is really women empowering women to come out and race and have fun and do the car show. The only way a guy will be able to race like him is if he's getting smoked by me or any of my other ladies out there that want to gap my husband on the track. Y'all are more than welcome to allow that.
Oh, wow. You gonna take that, bro?
First of all, I'm not getting gapped because I am gonna be tuned this time.
Oh,
in fact, I'm gonna be there. I won that gap fest, but of course I'm gonna be here.
That's what's up. That's what's up, man. Y'all make sure y'all go back and check them out on the podcast they've been on. Smooth been on them. Rain been on them. Y'all been on them together. Y'all know, man, my manager trying to get me to start a podcast and stuff too. So if I got my podcast going, y'all already know she gonna be on there. All right, y'all. I just got booked for Columbus, Ohio on August the 1st, the day after the show with me, SRT Bree, in North Carolina. I'm driving from there straight to Columbus. Hopefully y'all can come out.
Road with you, we already gonna be in North Carolina, so we follow.
Oh, okay.
Just everywhere, so we
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They on tour with me.
Yeah,
they got their own tour going on too. Yes, sir.
We hop in when we hop in. Some of them already planned together, and we just there, but yeah, it's all love.
It is all love, man. All right, drop y'all social medias too.
Rain_love23 on IG.
Smooth_shifting on IG. And then SRT Vibes with a Z on YouTube.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And then Moody with a cat. With a K.
Yes, sir. Make sure y'all go on and check out their channels. Man, listen, the whip game is crazy, man. They got Red Eye, Trackhawk, C8. They got all the toys, man. Make sure y'all go show them a whole lot of love.
No, we was not about to pull up in a Honda.
Oh, wow. Y'all want to go do the Honda? All right, we ain't going to do the Honda Dusty today, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. But yeah, definitely, man. Make sure y'all show them a whole lot of love, man. But we got to get on this road, man. We got about 7 hours. 7 hours drive, man. So we'll see y'all tonight, man. This video is going up today. Yeah, I don't know what time it's going up, but it's going up today, man. Y'all will see it today, man. But this is all real shit, man. Real life shit. Yeah. I'll holla at y'all, man. Yes, sir. Peace. All right, gang. I ain't know my little partners was in here. What up? Hey, you. You over in that corner quiet over there. I see you. Let me see what you got right here. What? Hold up, man. I like this. Let's go with my outfit. You wanted to let me have that, man. He like, nope. Oh, it got remote control too? Oh, wow. Definitely. Oh, wow. Is it fast? Yeah. Can you beat your mommy with it? You can?
Run it over.
All right, man. Well, I'll see you, man. Have a good time. Bye. All right, y'all. All right, we going for real. All right, peace. All right, gang, and just like that, that's going to close out this video, guys. I know it's a short video, wasn't a whole lot going on, but hey, guys, just want to show y'all a little bit of what is going on, man, in our real life, man. That's right. So, you got anything you want to say to the people, Catfish?
North Carolina, we on the way.
South Carolina.
South Carolina, we on the way. North Carolina, South Carolina, whatever.
Yeah.
We on the way.
Yeah, definitely on the way, man. Can't wait to get down there. This video is going up today. Like I said, it's a real short video, man. Just wanted to, you know, just give y'all a little something, let y'all know we on the way. Can't wait. And man, we got so many other shows that we're gonna be at. Rain, them gonna be joining us on a lot of shows. So, you know what I'm saying? Catfish gonna be joining us on a lot of shows. Man, me and Steph, Demonology, working on something mega. That's all I'm saying.
GPS signal lost.
We working on something mega, man. So y'all definitely stick around, stay tuned for that. So, man, all I can say is, man, appreciate all the love and support. Don't forget, man, go down to the link in my bio, grab your $20 Scrappy raffle ticket right now. Listen, it ain't even 300 people that bought tickets, man. It's a great opportunity. The odds of you winning is excellent. If you ask me, what is my odds of winning? It ain't even 300 people bought tickets. So guys, definitely go in the description of this video and grab you a ticket right now, man. Also, you can go in the description of this video and make sure you join me and CJ on 32's Facebook group, Street Whip Stunt. Also, make sure you join my OnlyFans. I got some content that's going to be dropping on that pretty soon. And just everything, man. Appreciate all the love and support for everything we got going on, man. Gonna keep on trying to keep on bringing y'all these events so that y'all, you know what I'm saying, get off the streets doing that crazy stuff, crazy madness. That's what it is, man. But I'm out of here, man. I'll holler at y'all next video. It's your boy, Stunner Reese. Peace. Checking out with Catfish. Let's go. Today's video is brought to us by the Street Whip Stuntin Facebook group. If you're into custom cars, the big wheel culture, big wheel racing, or anything customized with cars, motorcycles, and trucks, make sure you join the Facebook group Street Whip Stuntin. You can post all your pictures, all your videos, and it's free. So definitely click the link in the description of this video and join the Facebook group Street Whip Stuntin.
Hey, subscribe, share. What does it like for you niggas? Yeah, subscribe, square, like. Square? Shit.
Alright, subscribe, square.
Yeah, subscribe, share,
and
like.
square.
It's square. And share. Alright,
Alright,
subscribe to my man.